Here is how I make my honey sriracha Brussels sprouts. I preheat the oven to 400 degrees and I put the pan in first. I have roughly about a pound of Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to cut off the ends and clean them to make sure that I got all of the bad parts off. I am going to wash them and make sure that I kind of get as much water off as possible. I put a little bit of olive oil on there, toss it, and then I season it with some salt, some garlic, some pepper, as well as some onion powder. I'm going to take the pan out and spray it so that I can put my Brussels sprouts that I have halved face down, and I'm going to cook them for roughly 25 minutes. So now here's to this delicious honey sriracha sauce. So it is 2 parts honey, 1 part sriracha. So here I have 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and I put a dash of fresh lemon juice in just for a hint of the lemony flavor. Once the Brussels sprouts are done, I take them out. I put them in a bowl and I toss it with that delicious sriracha sauce. Now listen, this sauce can go on anything. It is so good, especially on chicken. And here you have it. Here are my Brussels sprouts.